In college algebra, we wrapped up the slope handout with problems 5 through 7. So graphing problems like 5 and 6 usually is pretty difficult and confusing. Let's see if we can figure it out. We're graphing y equals -4. So first step, put a coordinate on y equals -4. So that is right there. Some people just memorize how these look. It's either horizontal or vertical. So one way of looking at it is, since it says y equals -4, it needs to be perpendicular to the y-axis. That's one way to think about it. Another way is your line needs to always be on y equals -4. So if I draw a horizontal line like this, pick any coordinate that goes through. For example, this coordinate right here is -8, -4. No matter which coordinate you pick on that line, it's going to have a y value of -4. So that's how I look at it, or just memorize it's perpendicular to the axis mentioned. So that works over here. It'll be perpendicular to the x-axis. So make a dot on x equals 5, and x-axis is horizontal, so this line is vertical. Once again, it needs to constantly be hitting x equals 5. Pick any coordinate, and it has a 5 for an x value. The bottom two, you just need to solve for y. Put in slope-intercept form. In other words, solve for y. Right now we can't see the slope, but the moment you solve for y, you can see the slope. So let's move 2x and 6 to the other side. And now we have this equation. Divide everything by -3. And our equation looks like this. Slope is 2/3, and y-intercept is 2. Part B is very similar, just different numbers. So let's move the 12 to the right side, and let's move the 3x to the right side. So now we have 6y equals -3x plus 12. Divide everything by 6, and you can see the slope and the y-intercept. So our slope is -1/2, and our y-intercept is 2 again. All right, hope that made sense. I'll see y'all later.